Hello, and welcome back to another video. So today we're gonna be making slime. Why? I have no idea, but I just wanted to. So we're gonna make slime. I already made like one slime on camera, which I think was like this one. I don't think I showed adding the charms though. I don't know if I did, I don't know. But I also created this strawberry slime. Look, I'll show you the top. It's got a bunch of charms too. As you can see, so there's a good variety of pink and green, but today I want to create something different. Something I don't know. Do I know? No, I don't. What do I do? What do I do? Do you know what? I want to do something with this and this. And then there's also another blue glue I want to use, but we're not going to worry about that right now. I'm also going to use vanilla. Well, not actual vanilla, but vanilla scent. Okay, so I'm going to go get the stuff. Let's see. Where are my reusable stuff? Are they all gone? No, they're not. They're gone. Alright, I don't care if this plate is clean or not. I'm using it. I'm using it. It's got apple juice on it. A little bit though, so it's really fine. It won't get into my slime. I don't think it will. It looks completely clean in the camera, but like, no, it's not. So the other glue I want to be using is this. This one's really hard to get out, so that's why I didn't say it until sooner. I mean later. Still super hard to get out, even though I left it tipping for a while. Like literally, it gave me a bunch of tips. No, I'm just kidding. Okay. Oh man. We're fine. Good. We're good. We're good. Get this thing back into place. There. I think that's all I'm able to put. I'm just gonna keep it tipping just in case it has more in there. Just in case. You never know. And I'm also gonna add this dark blue glitter glue. Look at it, it's majestic. It's like different blues mixed together equals just perfectness. You don't know what I mean? You have to know what I mean. You mix it up, you'll get a good recipe for success. There, I think that'll be good. This slime's gonna be my set for myself, no one else. Although those two other slimes I showed you earlier, I don't know. Like I'm telling myself, keep it, you're the one who made it. But at the same time, no, I don't want to keep it. I want to give it to somebody. I haven't decided yet. If I'm gonna give this slimes away, then I'm gonna have to create 4 other slimes because I can't just bring 2 slimes. Like that, you know what I mean? Like I can't just, okay. This thing's getting annoying. At this point, I'm just gonna hold it. No, I can't though. I'm holding it with my arms. You can't see, but I am. Okay. You wanna do that, then you won't even get one. Okay? Pretty boy. It looks a lot darker in camera, but promise me, it's light. It's light, besties. It's light. It's light. It's light. I promise you. I'm gonna add a little bit of these charms right now, because I cannot stand waiting to use them. Like, guys, I cannot. I shouldn't have added them straight away into the mixture, but oh well. That's my problem to deal with, not yours. Not yours. Get out of this. Get out of this situation. Oh, okay. Just gonna shake it a little. I'm gonna pour in some. And then start mixing. Guys, this is all you need to make slime. All of the stuff I'm adding is optional. All you need is glue and activator. That's all. All the other stuff, optional. Except the paper plate and fork. You need those to make the slime. You're not gonna make slime on your table. Because then you'll get in trouble by your parents. That's how you get grounded. Okay? I'm teaching you a valuable lesson. It's not like I've been through before. Well, I haven't. Seriously, I haven't. But still, I wouldn't imagine in how much trouble you get. That it would be so much trouble that you wouldn't be able to play on your iPad for 10 years. And the only times you would be able to play on your iPad was holidays. Or any device. Oh my god, why does the fish tank light turn on and off? I'm so much wondering. So much wonder to wonder about. Because I just wonder. I don't want to lose any charms. Not even one. There. That should be good. Where the watermelons grow. We jump on the sand. Alright. I'm mixing. I'm doing a good job of it. I think so. I am. I think I am. To be honest, I like the look on camera better than in real life. In real life, it just looks like a beautiful mess. On camera, it looks somewhat appealing. Somewhat appealing, I said. Somewhat. Alright, it's getting thick. We're getting thick. We're getting thick. This is why you don't put charms in straight away into your mixture. Because they might get lost in the glue that you don't even use. Like, I'm literally losing like 3 little charms now. This is just a quick slime. A quick slime. Probably the quickest one I've ever made. Look at it. It looks worse in real life, but on camera it looks better. Like a better blue. Why does everything look better on camera? Like, I don't get it. I don't get it. Alright. Attention everything. We're gonna be adding some, you know what I mean? You know what I'm talking about. I don't even have to say the word. You guessed it. You guessed it. You guessed it, besties. Ooh. Oh my god. I think these little charms are so heavy I can feel them go onto the slime. Maybe these were not the best charms, but hey, they're cute ones, so I don't care. Blue lemonade. If there's pink lemonade, there is blue lemonade. But it just doesn't sound good. It doesn't sound appealing. You know? You know? Doesn't really sound that appealing to me. Might sound appealing to you. I don't know how. But I'm not gonna judge. Guess what? I'm gonna put even more. Put even more. This thing deserves a bunch. Because just like a tiny bit, no, that's not enough. You need a bunch to make this thing look pretty. If it already wasn't pretty enough. Like, it's already pretty. Make it even prettier with these little things. Is there anything other? Is there anything also blue that I could use? No, but I'm gonna use all mushrooms because they're cute. Because they're cute. See, ow. I'm fine. Look at them. They're so cute. I'm also gonna add some little mushrooms too. I know it seems out of the ordinary, but cute little mushrooms. I need cute little mushrooms. Only a little though, not as much as the there. That's all I'll add. Oh my god, why is the camera blurry? Okay. Just need it in. I'm not even gonna ask why the camera is blurry. Oh, it's so cute. It's so cute. Alright. I think I finally got an inspiration now. But first, you know what we gotta do other than charms? You know? If you don't know, then you don't even know me. You don't even know me. We gotta put some glitter. I just put some glitter in. I put some glue. I mean, not glue. Blue glitter. Although my glitter dispenser is like a little dirty, so it's probably got it mixed in with other colors too. Like pink. It's fine, but it just doesn't match the slime. Okay, guys, I'm gonna show you the slime. Guys, look, it's so cute. It's so cute. It's so cute. One day, I want to hopefully get labels for my slimes. Hopefully. One day. That's my dream. Is it going to be a short video or am I going to make more slime? Can there be a part 2? Yes, there can. But am I going to do part 2 and not even make this video longer? Yeah. So the rest of this video is going to be me packaging the slime. Well, not really packaging, but putting the slime into a container. Okay? Check it out. Yeah. Your day has come. You're gonna go into big boy land. It's come. You could say it's come. It's time to go to big boy land, which is scary land, because you're gonna be by yourself. With you only. And when I say you only, you only. Bye! She's just like so small. No wonder it's so young. I'm just kidding. I think this slime turned out really cute with mushrooms, so I'm gonna put a little more mushrooms. And why didn't I keep this thing? Good thing, because, I mean, also a bad thing, but good thing. Because then I'm gonna put in more of that. I really like these mushrooms. I just learned to like them all of a sudden. All of a sudden. I just learned to like them. Like, it just came out of poof, nowhere. It just came out of nowhere. Anyway, I'm gonna count the slime. Alright, 1, 2, 3. Alright. Here's mine. I'm gonna show you it and see if it's still good. Actually, yeah, it's still good. I thought it was like gonna be like super sticky for a sec, but no, it's actually pretty good. It's actually pretty good, but it's a little sticky though. It's a little sticky. It's a little sticky. Okay. Yeah, it's a little sticky. So I'm just gonna lid that because I'm probably gonna keep it. Anyway, so bye guys. See you in part 2 of making slimes. Bye.